Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you want to control who can lock and submit forms on your Monday.com account. Let me show you how to manage this. To do this, go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side once you sign into Monday.com and click on administration. Now from here on the left hand side, click on customization. It's going to expand and you want to click on its features. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and here you'll find an option that says enable your account forms to be accessed by external people. Now, this is what you will use to manage this feature. And as you can see in small print, it says control who can load and submit forms. Now, if you want to keep this to only internals, simply go ahead and turn this off. Otherwise, if it's on, you will see that it will allow external to be able to load these forms. So if you want to private this or if you want to control this, this is the feature that you want to turn on or off to manage this easily. And that's pretty much it, guys.